In this video, we have a Bitcoin decision time right now with the Rising channel. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you first a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba, in the previous analysis, we have been monitoring this rising channel or ascending channel, which you can see in the 4-hour time frame. But right now, as you can see, it's actually one of the last few one of the last few support areas na nga dito. And as you can see, Bitcoin is trying to break, but as you can see, it's actually trying to go back inside the channel. Previously, we tried opening a long position dito because as you can see, we initially saw a bullish breakout. However, that led to a fake out. So, na-hit SL natin dyan. And right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So, if you're going to look at this, you will find that right now we are trying to break to the downside. But as you can see, I initially opened another short position dito, but na-hit na naman yung SL ko. But ayun, it's all good. We have multiple winning trades nga dito. Itong pag-akit dito ni Bitcoin, we won multiple times dyan. So either way, it's all good. But right now, as you can see, we are trying to break dito, but it looks like now we are going to go back. So right now, I think the very crucial thing that we have to monitor right now is, are we going to break the support area of this channel? Because if you're going to look at this in a different chart in the daily time frame, you will find that in the daily time frame, it's actually right now leading to a bearish momentum dito with the Bitcoin price action. So this bearish momentum is telling us na we have a momentum for Bitcoin to go down, but yun nga, it will still depend within the next few hours kung saan siya didiretso. So let's give you another recap dito regarding this ascending channel target. So if we have seen a Bitcoin breakout dito, meaning a candle close with sell volume dito, then of course our first target is the 70,800 US dollars, so 70,900, and then the next target is going to be 68,000 US dollars. Then the last target is going to be 66,000 US dollars. So take note, it all still depends on this ascending channel support area if nagkakaroon ng breakout. So that is what I am currently monitoring. And take note guys, I will be taking advantage of this trade kay Wix, kasi kay Wix, mas mura ang Bitcoin trading fees kay Wix, and at the same time, bago pa lang siya, so hindi kayo required mag KYC. And of course, if you're going to deposit $100, you will get $20 of bonus if you're going to deposit dito kay Wix. So make sure to check out Wix in the description down below. Sign up with my sign up link if you don't have an account with that. But anyway, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.